Hello everyone and welcome to an EpikHost tutorial. In today's video I'll show you how to make your own bot hosting server. First off, we'll go to the bot commands channel and type account sign up. The bot will send you a DM. Here you can sign up for EpikHost. Start by putting in your username. After this, type out your email. Your password will be randomly generated. Now, let's open the panel link. Copy your email and password and paste them both into the panel. Complete the captcha if needed and log in. You will have no servers associated with your account, so continue watching. Now let's make a server. You can start by typing store view. Then you can type store info number of product. The number of product is to the left of whatever server you want. You will then see the specs you get on your server. You will receive the following: 500 megabits of RAM, 500 megabits of storage, and 65% of a thread. Then run store by number of product and go back to the panel page. You will see that your server is running installer. Just wait for this and then refresh your page. You will have several options such as create directory, upload, and new file. I will make a new video soon showcasing all the features. Now let's move to Start Up tab. There's an additional server language packages area where you put whatever packages you require. That is all for today. Enjoy the rest of your day.